Hello, this is Rolf from Tesla Owners US, and you know I ordered the Cybertruck because it's a Cybertruck delivery event, and you will be with us when I receive my Cybertruck number 11. So that is not the because remember that 10 have been delivered and I get number 11, and you will with me.
Hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is...
So guys, let me give you a little bit the scope of what is in this delivery event. So you guys will see the Cybertruck with all of its functionality, including where the extended battery pack goes, and you will see prime footage from production. There will be the precise manufacturing is awesome. There will be by the micrometer. It is almost like Lego, I tell you, because so exact. And panel gaps, forget about that. Okay, at the doors a little bit, but usually forget about panel gaps. Then you will see the adjustable suspension and how that works with the adjustable suspension. We will do a shooting test. We will do an absolute shooting test to the doors and to the windows and see how that lasts.
How tough is this truck? Let's find out. So we actually had to come up with a special, ultra-strong, Tesla-designed steel alloy.
Okay guys, before we do the bullet test, we have a couple of guns here. Let me show you that is the 8mm Mauser G36 German Army rifle, 5.56mm or 2.23, and for sure the 9mm Glock. And the most suitable of all is our baby gun here, 4.5mm Marksman repeater. So now for everybody, let's clear the range and let's get started. Okay guys, safety first. Now we do the gun test and we'll shoot my Cybertruck. Oh, good. Next one. Good. 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 Now one on the window. Oh. Let's look at the results. Okay. Let's look at the results. Cybertruck. No dent at all, guys. And this is with 1.77mm BB gun. No dent. But, you know what? There is still a mistake here. There's still a little dent in the window. So just shoot at the door and not at the window. The window, it will go through. All right. You can also, if you want to, buy extra decal and get that on your car. So we have that extra add-on, the decal, and we put it on the car, as you can see, in the front window and in the back window. Oh, but there are some panel gaps here, as you can see. That's pretty big. So let me open the rear door here. Press the button here, open the rear door. Okay, here we go. Rear door is opening. And there's a glass roof. Okay, let's take the glass roof off here. right? And then we can see inside. You know what the awesome thing is? It even comes with a cup holder and a cup itself. There's a Tesla cup in there, right? Look at this, a Tesla cup in there. Okay, let's put that one back. There we go. There is the Tesla cup. Yes. Okay, I put the glass roof back up. It's a removable glass roof. And then let's put the suspension more up. That would be better. So let's put the suspension up and okay, click it down here and move that sucker up. Hey, I want to run in the wilderness here. I need the suspension up and lock it down. Here we go. That's it. Let's get the Cybertruck being received. Okay, thank you, Elon. I will go with that
these are the actual
Cybertruck
owners.
and
We're handing
run
over
it.
production Cybertrucks to their
And
actual owners. Thank you for
now
buying Cybertruck.
we're gonna have a little bit look in how the Cybertruck was built. How did you like the Cybertruck and the manufacturing of that? It was a precise manufacturing, stone on stone, really in the micro dimensions, no gaps, everything fits exactly. As I said, like on Lego, because these were the conditions. If Lego can do it, they can do it as well, right? So Tesla can do it as well, and they did it, right? And here comes the piece. Wait a second, let me drive it in front. Okay. And I show you all of the functions. Let me do that outside. So guys, we are outside, and now it's Cybertruck time. Let me present you the car. Okay, because that's an outside car and it needs to be driven outside, right? So let's do that. So maybe it's gonna be better this way. Yes. Okay, let's do that. So, okay, first, the battery pack. Where does the battery pack goes? Then let's open the rear here on the car. Here we go. Bzzz. Oh, what do we have there? Yes, you see that? It slides back, and here is a bag of additional parts. Yeah, but that's what Elon says. Delete, 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 delete parts. If we wouldn't have deleted parts, we haven't made a mistake. And we have quite a few deleted parts here, and we just put them in the back of the trunk and you get them delivered with you if you want it or not. So then you can also flap that down. Look at this. Flap it down, and then for your Cyber Quad, you can lift it up here. Do you see that? And now, hey, we almost missed it. We wanted to show you where is the extended battery pack. Here it is. The extended battery pack is just in the lower front. Look at this. There it is. You see those two? That's our lithium-ion batteries. 1100 amp hours. That's a bunch, right? And there is an alternative way. You can also put some of them in the front. So let me show you the one in the front. Here, you're gonna open the front here, and then, oh, let me put that window up. Yep, and then here we go. Open in the front. So there we go. There is another 1100 amp hours lithium-ion batteries in there. Cool. But once we are there, let me show you also how to adjust the suspension, you know? So as you can see here, the suspension is quite high, but you can lower the suspension. So you just have to remove that gear here, and then the suspension is low. Oh, that looks like you can drive now in Mexico with that, in the Baja Peninsula. And for that purpose, I added some features. You know those boards? So if you run out of range, look at this, and you got stuck in the mud, you can take those boards and then you place them under your tires, and then you get out of the mud, right? Okay, let me go and show you more. Isn't that awesome? That's an awesome. That's my Cybertruck number 11, delivered to me just after 4 years, very quick. And I hope you like the awesome, really awesome manufacturing informations and how we manufactured that, right? So let's flap that back together, put the load on it, the whole 2,500 pounds in the back, right? Just above the battery pack, close that, and then close also that with that conveyor belt here. Yes, close this one. All right, we got it. That's my Cybertruck. And already after 4 years, got it delivered. All built by hand. Yeah, and that's why it's gonna be another production hell, because you have to build it all by hand. It took about 3 days to build that piece. All right, if you like that, thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I put some more pictures of that one. Unfortunately, I don't have a trailer hitch right now here. I would have towed it and compared it to a 911. Okay, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. See you next time. Bye-bye.